Get 200% life insurance coverage at an affordable rate with AIA Max Protect. You can customize the benefits na gusto mong ilagay dito sa plan mo with AIA Max Protect. Take for example, this age 30 female. Ito yung mga nilagay ko na benefits sa plan. So yung una, life insurance. Meron din tong non-guaranteed dividends kasi participating yung plan. So merong binibigay sa atin na additional pa dun sa plan kahit more on coverage ito. Maturity benefit pag na-reach natin yung age 100. Yung TPD coverage, yung personal accident coverage, and enhanced waiver of premium. Instead na 500,000 lang ang coverage mo, times 2 siya, so 200% nga. So 1 million coverage. And then meron tayong total and permanent disability until age 65. Kung sakaling yung member ay 6 months na tuloy-tuloy na hindi na makapagtrabaho at na-considered na siya na bedridden, so mangyayari ito yung ating mapafile, 500,000. So usually, ito yung mga members o kaya mga persons na hindi niya magawa yung 3 out of 6 activities na daily living. Ito yung eating, taking a bath, dressing up, toileting, moving from one place to another, transfer, tsaka mobility. Meron rin tayong personal accident insurance kung saan yung member kapag naka-experience ng major accidents at nag-cause ng death or totally and permanently disabled person na siya, so we can claim 500,000. And later on, I will show you yung breakdown kung sakaling cause ito ng pagsakay sa public transportation or o kaya naman cause ng mga natural disasters. So ito yung sinasabi ko na table kung saan pinapakita just in case yung member maka-experience ng accidental dismemberment. So kung sakaling yung member ay na-accident siya, so nawala yung both hands niya, so ito yung mangyayari. So 100% yung makiklaim, so buong 500,000. And then ito naman kapag fingers, so 50% para sa one hand, and then for the thumb, 15%. And kung sakaling yung policy owner ay namatay due to an accident o kaya naman na dismemberment siya or loss of use ng mga other parts of the body because of these two things, pagsakay niya sa public transpo and because of acts of nature, he or she will receive additional 100% of the personal accident insurance benefit. Naglagay din ako ng EWP or Enhanced Waiver of Premium dito sa plan na to kasi if ever yung member nagbabayad pa ng plan at na totally and permanently disabled siya o kaya naman nag-diagnose ng critical illness, magkakaroon ng waive sa premium at si AIA yung magbabayad ng plan on behalf of you. So for age 30, female, 15,000 per year lang yung babayaran mo up to age 65. Tapos yan na lahat yung mga benefits na meron sa'yo. So pwede rin quarterly na 4,000 plus. Ito pa yung maganda. So tingnan mo ito. Ang huhulugan mo is 15,189 for the next 35 years kung 30 years old ka ngayon, and that's 531,000. Pero 'di ba sinabi ko kanina na meron ka makukuhang non-guaranteed dividends. So pwede na siyang ibigay after a year or two, pero maliit pa lang 'yun. Kaya nga i-accumulate mo na lang siya para mag-grow pa. So for example, ginawa mo siyang retirement money. So gamitin na lang natin yung up to age 75 kasi nga yung iba mong mga benefit katulad ng personal accident until age 75 ka mako-cover, 'di ba? So para hindi siya ma-terminate that soon. So, kung titingnan natin dito, at age 75, 945,000 yung makukuha mo na money by that time at 3.9% current dividend accumulation rate. O diba, during your prime working years that you can be able to earn more money and do the things that you want, parang nakalibre ka pa ng insurance tapos kumita pa yung pera mo. So bumalik pa sa'yo, may money ka for your health emergencies during that time, pag old age, and also for your retirement. Kung nahahabaan ka naman sa payment terms na up to age 65, so pwede natin gawing 10 years to pay lang. Same na same benefits, so 200% life insurance which is 1 million, tapos tigpa 500 ka dito sa TPD tsaka sa PA, tapos yung huhulugan mo is 40,000 for the next 10 years. Dahil mas malaki yung hinuhulugan mo year on year early on, so 40,000 for the next 10 years, that's 400,000 plus. So mangyayari kapag same age na age 75 at 3.9% current dividend accumulation rate, you can get 1 million pesos. So, 10 years ka na nagbayad, hindi mo na inisip, yung plan na to, fully paid na, insured ka pa ng 1 million pesos na life insurance, may tig 500,000 ka pa na TPD, tsaka personal accident, and then you can still get this amount of money na pwede mo gamitin as your retirement fund. O O, di ba? Sulit na sulit itong plan na to. You can also customize pa yung mga benefits kung sakaling hindi mo gusto yung mga accident benefits na nilagay ko kanina. Pwede nating palitan yan ng mga iba pang riders that your financial advisor or AIA Life Planner can show it to you. So for more questions regarding AIA Max Protect or other AIA life insurance plans, you can comment down below or you can send me a message.